Hey girl, wanna get a drink before we go? Sawadee-ka. Happy now? Not bad. Sawadee-ka. Happy now? I'm so poor, I'm eating lobster every day. I can tell whether a car's good or bad just by listening to its engine. Alright, it's still got 4 wheels, so